search function, which is going to search the string for the first match of a regular expression pattern. So it is going to return a match object if the pattern is found. Otherwise, it is going to return a none. Now search, as we said, there are three arguments. The pattern that we are going to search, and the input string where I'm going to search this particular pattern. And this flags is once again an optional one. So pattern, the regular pattern. Now let's look into this example. We have taken one pattern here, which is a set of characters or letters, one or more occurrences of this, and followed by one or more digits, the decimal digits. Now here we are applying this search on this pattern, taking this pattern, and this is the string on which we are applying this pattern. So now we can observe here it should be ending with this digit. So before this we have this June 24. So starting from J till this 4, this is the entire string that we have got as a result of the search. Now because we found it, so hence this is not equal to none, this is true. So we are just trying to find out what is the index that we have started with, that is m dot start, and where the index is ending. So this is where the index is actually 14 and it is 21. Now group, it is going to just bring out the entire sequence of characters or string that is completely matching. Now the result you can see, we start with this 14 index and goes up to 21. And what we have found is this string, that is your June 24.